What's the general guidance in reading the California Financial Code? Now, California statutes are contained in 29 separate codes, and the 10th alphabetically is the Financial Code. All 29 codes have general or preliminary provisions that help read and interpret the specific code sections. The following are some of the selected general provisions contained in California's Financial Code. Section 1 says that the act is known and may be cited as the Financial Code. Section 2 provides that the provisions of the code, as they're substantially the same as existing statutory provisions relating to the same subject matter, are to be construed as restatements and confirmations and not as new enactments. Section 4 says, unless otherwise required, the general provisions govern the construction of the financial code. Section 5 says that division, part, chapter, article, and section headings do not in any manner affect the scope, meaning, or intent of any of the provisions of the code. Section 6 says that whenever a power is granted to an officer or a duty imposed upon a person or a board by the financial code, then it can be exercised or performed by a deputy or a person so authorized. Section 7 says that whenever any reference is made to a provision of the code, that the reference applies to all amendments and additions. Section 8 says that the term writing includes any form of recorded message capable of comprehension by ordinary visual means. Section 9 defines the term section to mean a section of the code unless some other statute is specifically mentioned. It also says that subdivision means a subdivision of the section in which the term occurs unless some other section is expressly mentioned in the statute. Section 10 says that the present tense includes the past and future tenses, and the future tense includes the present tense. Section 11 says the masculine gender includes the feminine and neuter. Section 11.2 defines the term spouse to include a registered domestic partner. Section 12 provides that the singular number includes the plural and the plural the singular. Section 13 defines the term city to include an incorporated city, a city and county, a municipal corporation, a municipality, a town, and an incorporated town. Section 15 says the term shall is mandatory and the term may is permissive. Section 18 defines oath to include an affirmation. Section 18 defines the term person to include a person, firm, partnership, association, corporation, company, limited liability company, syndicate, estate, trust, business trust, or organization of any kind. And finally, Section 19 says that if any provision of the code is held invalid, that the remainder of the code is not affected by that invalidity.